This is our garden na hindi pa tapos. Hindi na nasisimulan. But look, it's about to rain. I definitely need to go. So, it's December 2021, and now it's around 3:30 in the afternoon, and I need to go outside to pick up a box, buy few stuff, and finally buy bubble tea for my husband. Simple joys for these two people, my beloved of my life. And I will bring you along, pero I still don't have my GoPro bike mounting mechanism, because you know my old bike was stolen. So if you are interested to know the story, just click in the description the link to the video, and I hope it doesn't rain, otherwise I will be soaked. So I'll see you again later, guys.
Nee, ik heb wel vierkante dobbelsteentjes zeg maar met letters, maar... Ja, oké. Maar het zou dus uitmaken? Nee, natuurlijk niet. Het is leuk om hem zelf te maken. Nee, maar ik bedoel dat niet dat silicoon is. Nee. I need this one for my bike. Sleepwears. 20 euro. That's a lot of money. Underwear. Hipsters. Sneakers. Which one do I buy? Tongs. Items on sale. Okay. Packs. Ay, underwear. 3 times 450. Stretch. So these are the underwears. And those. So bibili lang muna ako. Cotton always small. I think I'm already L or XL. Small, small, large, XL, large, large, nude. It's always good. Yan lang ang unti ng... Alright, so I already reached home and I would like to show you a sneaker, and this is a true unboxing. I won this sneaker from the draw. If you are curious, I normally enter draw in sneakers.com for Nike limited edition pieces, and luckily I win this one. So without further elaboration, let's open the box together. If you hear any noises on the background, that is my son playing on his tablet. So, this is the box, and what I got is women's Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort, and I got the size 38 and a half. So it looks like this. So it has this Air Jordan information in here. And it says a lot of things about the product, which I wouldn't which I would not, let's say, read to you. It smells rubber. It smells like rugby with leather. Ooh. And it's beautiful. Tatay, look. I'm just calling my husband because I am quite amused by the design. It's really nice. Wow. So I have this one. And let's look at the pair. It's this one. I think it's just so simple. This shoe, I can only say it is a black and red colorway, and you have Air Jordan here. I think this is leather. You have the red underneath of the shoe. It's quite really simple, and it's for women, so it looks really small. I really hope it fits. I got 38.5, which is my size, really in European size, and hopefully this runs true to size. Aha! It has something inside. And I can feel underneath have sort of some white, not soft foam underneath of it, so it feels like very comfortable to use. I will also try it on now so you can see how it looks like on me. Wow, this is nice. This is really... Whoa! Something with this Air Jordan 1, that's why it is quite popular, and it is very affordable, so you can purchase for yourself an Air Jordan 1 like the one I have for 140 euro. And I heard that some limited edition pieces are also becoming more expensive, especially if they are collaborations with other artists. I think for the draw, it puts you into suspense mode, and that suspense mode gives a certain feeling of thrill, and actually it's just by luck. So if you are chosen, then good. If not, then better luck next time. So I think that's all for today. So until the next time, guys, tomorrow is another day. Today is day 3 of Vlogmas, and I really hope we can keep it up. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.